Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my Rolex with a G10 Maritech NATO style 4-ring band. It's a one-piece 4-ring band. And I've got my original here. I'm going to clean it up and then I'll show you before and after. And let me know whether you think the watch looks better with this Maritech band on here or with the original. I'll clean it up. Well, that's about as much as I'm going to do on one side. It's really hard to show a small piece that's been polished, but you can see if I can get any more focus. Whoops, there it goes. So that's the side that's been polished. Yeah, that's about as good as it gets. And that side has not been polished yet. I think it's pretty obvious. So I'm going to finish off the clasp part and then the rest of it. And then I'll put it on to this watch. And I'll ask you guys and gals to tell me what you think. I took a couple more passes on this. For some reason, this bottom, what I'm calling the bottom here, is coming out better than the clasp and the top. And I don't want to do too much. I'm going to give it one more. Well, I think I'm going to call that good. It's not perfect, but I'm going to wear it. It's going to get scratched up some more, so I think that's pretty good for now. Well, let's put it on the watch and see how it looks. Okay, so I got it together. There it is with the correct band on it, and I polished it up a little bit. I didn't polish the watch, I just polished the band. And let me put the other one on it. Hey, why not do it this way then? So I'm not too crazy about the band on the Luminox, but I do like the watch. So tell me what you think. Which one? I'll probably alternate them now that I've got the Rolex cleaned up. And it snapped on, the bezel snapped on so tight that I'm not afraid of it popping off as much as I was before I cleaned it. So there's another video about cleaning it right on my channel. Okay? Give me a thumbs up or a like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe. Have fun. It's Memorial Day weekend. Let's remember why we have a Memorial Day weekend. And give thanks to all servicemen, guys and gals, who gave their lives and who are serving now. Okay? Froggy out.